Hey, it's Trevor Carr here. Over the last couple of weeks, in fact, almost 3 weeks now, my life has been a little bit different. My wife went in for an operation on the 6th of June, and it was tough for her. Let's say that. She had a lot of recovering to do, and when she came out, she needed a lot of support from me, and she was not able to do much at all, and so I was looking after the house, the kids, running to the shops, putting the wash load on, putting the washing out, getting the washing in, doing the dishwasher, clearing up, cooking the breakfast, the lunch, the evening meal, etc., etc. Now, this for me was a pleasure to look after my wife during that period, and fortunately she's made a great recovery now, and she's well on the mend, so I'm back to work. But I wanted to show you something. Let's show you something that is a bit of an eye-opener, and that is the money that came in almost passively while this was going on. She went in on the 6th of June, and today is the 25th of June, but if we go to Sunday, which was when I went back to work, okay, and we're going to take a look at what I made in affiliate commissions from the date of her operation until Sunday, when she was well enough that I could get back into the office. I made $8,873. Now, what's interesting about this is that aside from everything else that I was doing, one of them here, this News Profits Pro, this $1,315 was made using a system that I'm actually going to be revealing tomorrow in a product that is launching. The product is called Intrinsic, and this is training by me. There's also some training in there from my good buddy and launch partner Lance Groom over on the other side of the pond in America. But in there, what I decided to do was, because News Profits Pro was a typical example of where I had no time really to get anything together for that. I needed to look after my wife, my kids, and the house, the family, and so I needed a quick solution. And I found a solution that I've tried out several times before, and was amazed at how well that worked. And there was a couple of promos that I did during that period that brought me in some really nice money. And of course, it's lovely, isn't it? Because you can relax when you know that your mind needs to be on other things. I needed to make sure that everything was okay here. I couldn't really spend much time in the business. And so I decided that it would be a great thing to share all of this with you in this product called Intrinsic, and you're going to absolutely love it. I'm super, super proud of this product. I've spent hours upon hours recording over-the-shoulder training to show you everything you need to do. But this is way more than just what I did during these last couple of weeks. This encompasses everything that I do and what I did in my business to kickstart my career in internet marketing. I've been in this business now for just over 2 years full time, and in that time I've done over $350,000 in vendor sales just in this one Warrior Plus account alone. And my affiliate commissions, as you've seen, $8,000 in the last couple of weeks. They're way over $10,000 a month. In fact, I think May was $20,000. So it's a wonderful business. But the problem is, for so many of us when we're starting out, because this was me just a couple of years back, is that we need a buyer's list. I was able to achieve these results a lot easier because I had a buyer's list. I could send out an email to my buyer's list and share with them what I had for them, give them some nice bonuses, etc., as you know. So it's that buyer's list that it eludes us. We can't quite work out how to get that because it's far too complicated, isn't it? To come up with a product and create a product and a sales page and the video sales letter and all the sales copy and the access pages and the whole thing, far too complicated. Well, it was until Intrinsic was created. All right. So Intrinsic is going to show you a really clever, simple way to get over all the obstacles that would normally be there. And I'm going to show you how to do kind of like little mini product launches, each time getting some buyers onto your list, and then what to do with those buyers afterwards in order to get, some really nice commissions. This for me is unlike anything I've ever done before. I'm very, very proud of it. I've worked very, very hard, and I'm revealing everything in there that you need to know to get cracking with this. So look out for more information on this from me tomorrow. I will obviously, as always, have a very, very special Spoil You bonus bundle, but that's besides the point, because the course itself is a no-brainer. It really is. So I can't wait for you to see it, and I can't wait to see you getting results so that I can start posting those testimonials that I know you're going to want to give me after you've been through this. So it's Intrinsic. We're launching on Wednesday the 26th of June at 11 a.m. EST, and it's going to start off at $12.95, so it's, that's almost free. And then the price is going to go up gradually during the launch. So the sooner you get in, the better. Make sure you grab it through my link to get the best bonus bundle, of course. And I can't wait to see you on the other side. If you've got any questions, just let me know. Other than that, I wish you all the very best, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.